Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by checking two things. You have admin access and the graphics control panel installed. First, try the fast fix. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus up arrow to return to normal orientation. The arrows rotate by 90 degrees. Once done, if that shortcut does nothing, open Settings System Display and look for Orientation. Do this now because it rules out accidental hotkey toggles before we dive into driver or system fixes. Next, you'll inspect the graphics driver controls because they often manage rotation hotkeys. Open Intel Graphics Command Center or NVIDIA/AMD settings, find hotkeys or display rotation and disable or reassign them. Also, open Action Center and ensure Rotate Lock is off. Windows Tablet Mode can force orientation changes. If settings shows no orientation options, update or reinstall the GPU driver from Device Manager. That restores rotation controls and fixes corrupted settings. Keep going, we're close to restoring normal display behavior. Finally, set orientation to landscape in Settings System Display and apply. You should see the screen snap upright. If it doesn't, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or perform a full reboot after any driver change. If rotation persists, roll back the GPU driver or update it to the latest version. As a last resort, use System Restore to a point before the issue. Troubleshooting tip: test with an external monitor. If external is normal, the problem is likely laptops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.